Got a leak that needs fixing? Maybe rattling pipes or a noisy AC vent? How about an instant gasket for a custom seal? Flex Seal Power Putty takes care of all that and more. Check it out. You've got a leak, we've got the solution. Flex Seal Power Putty. No tools required, just your hands. What you'll need: a knife or scissors, and a cutting board. Not that kind, this kind. Prep. Wipe down the surface. Clear off any grease, oil, or loose dirt. For the strongest hold, keep the area dry. But for emergencies, Power Putty works on wet surfaces too, even underwater. Application. Cut the amount of putty you need. Remember, a little goes a long way. Peel off the backing. Mold it by hand to fit the size of your gap, crack, or hole. Use your fingers to work it into the gap. It sticks to everything but your hands. Look, no residue. That's it. Done. A strong instant fix with no mixing, no mess, and no waiting for dry times. Think of it like modeling clay, but instead of making dinosaurs, you're making leaks extinct. How about those rattling pipes? Press Power Putty between them to dampen the vibration and kill the noise. Let's talk gaskets. Apply Power Putty to the bottom of your faucets or toilet and trim to get instant custom seals. Not happy with how you applied your Power Putty? Just peel it off and try it again. It never dries out and never hardens, so there's zero pressure to get it perfect on the first try. It grips tight to PVC, wood, metal, glass, concrete, tile, fiberglass, and it's 100% waterproof. Make the great outdoors even greater for your boats, cars, RVs, and more. It's UV, mildew, and chemical resistant, so it won't crumble over time. And yeah, it's paintable, so you can match it to your surface. Plus, it's pet and family friendly too. Clean up. Trim any excess putty with a knife or plastic scraper. Storage. Keep unused putty in its container. It'll be ready next time you use it. Fix leaks, cracks, gaps, rattles, and so much more. The quick and easy way. With your hands. Get Flex Seal Power Putty. Shape it, stick it, seal it.